This machine is the horizontal leg press. So there are a few considerations before you start to use this machine. The first is you want to make sure that you've selected the appropriate weight. Okay, so to do that, like all the other machines, you're going to take this pin and put it at the level of the appropriate weight that you want to use for this exercise. Next is you're going to want to adjust the body of this machine. This whole piece moves together. So in order to do that, you're going to put a hand somewhere on this body of the machine, and then once it's stabilized, you're going to pull up on this handle. Automatically, when you pull up on the handle, because of the grade that this is on, it's going to want to slide down to the bottom. But I would caution you to make sure that you have a hand on here so it doesn't slam down. Once you're here, you're going to set it at the appropriate setting and lock it into place. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to lie back down onto this pad, and your shoulders will press up against these pads and your head will rest here. Feet will go on this plate. And so you know that you've set the machine appropriately if you lay back down and your knees are bent roughly to 90 degrees. So depending on your level of expertise when it comes to using machines like this, you could further adjust this so that you're in more hip and knee flexion. That's going to make this exercise harder. Or you could adjust it so that you're in less hip and knee flexion. That's going to make this exercise easier. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go right down to about 90 degrees. And from here, I'm going to lie down, put my hands on the handlebars, push through my feet, and raise my body up, keeping a slight bend in the knees. From here, I'm going to slowly lower back down, making sure not to slam the weight. I'm going to continue on like this as long as I can do it with good form. And when I'm done with this exercise, I'm going to sit up, and I'm probably going to sit here for just a minute so that I don't get too dizzy, because I did just go from lying down, using my muscles, getting the blood flowing, to sitting up. So once you feel ready to get up, you can move on to whatever exercise you have next.